Hello everyone and welcome back. We are doing part 2 of Tabtab Wadala. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment. It helps me so much. Make sure you have some space, some time, and let's get started reviewing what we already know from part 1. We have Tabtab Wadala. Yai ulanat, figure 8. So that's hip snap, shoulder shimmy. Hip snap, shoulder shimmy. Figure 8, cross, unwind, sit spin. Repeat. Dam, rantantan, dan, rantantan. Figure 8. Then little rond de jambe en l'air to a big circle and drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, camel. Hip, circle, and drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, camel, and rumpa, 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 rum. Okay, so that is a Taksim, Maya, Harakat infinity, vertical infinity figure 8, going up, and then down with a little plie. Ready to review with music? Here we go.
يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا زعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه يا
Drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick,
يا
camel,
يقول انا اتغيرت
circle,
عليه انا
drop,
زعل
kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick,
ما هو
camel,
كل همه ازاي يرضيه قولوا له ده انا برضه ساعات في حالات مره زعل مره اديله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الاوقات ده تعبني قوي طلع عيني قولوا له ده انا برضه ساعات في حالات مره زعل مره اديله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الاوقات ده تعبني قوي طلع عيني اطقطق.
So, about the new part. After we said drop, kick, camel, room. Drop, kick, camel, figure 8. Then we're doing a grapevine. Front, side, back, side, roll up, shoulder shimmy. Okay, this foot is pointed. So you're going to start with, if we're going to mirror each other, my right, your left. Step front, step side, step back, step side. Roll up, shoulder shimmy to this side. Then I'm doing a little bit of a heel prep. Boom. Can you see this heel? Okay, so from here, it's like someone's pulling you, boom, from your toe first. So shoulder shimmy, heel. So I'm taking this, my left, your right, heel, and boom, doom, boom, 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 da. Okay? So then we're just repeating the grapevine to the other direction. Also make sure that you're slightly in turnout. Okay? We don't want this all parallel. Slightly turned out, slightly croisé to the diagonal, boom. So then I'm turning out even more. I'm not just going up, I'm doing boom. So it's like someone's really pulling me by my foot and my head trails last. Okay? So we have da-da-dum. Boom, 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 da-da-dum. Okay? Then from there, we're taking a traveling camel step. Starting my left, your right, down and up and down and up. I show you from the side. Down and up and down and up. Good. But we're doing that in a circle around ourselves. So we're here. Then we go down and up and down and up. So you're turning with your right leg over your right shoulder. So turn away from each other as opposed to towards. Back and over your right shoulder. Down and up and down and up. Then your hip goes side, side, left, right, side, side, turn. Okay, and that's just a simple turn around on one foot. Boom. Hands come here. Boom. You can use a little bit of momentum with the hands, okay? So again, from here, boom, boom, boom. Front, side, back, side, and shoulder shimmy, pull, front. Oh, then we go step, front, side, back, and shoulder shimmy. Camel and camel and camel and camel. Hip and hip, turn around. Yes? Let's go.
يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا زعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا زعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه
And front, side, back, side, and shoulder shimmy. Side, front, side, and shoulders. Camel, 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 left, right, circle.
قولوا له ده انا برضو ساعات بحلال مرة زعل مرة اديله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الأوقات ده
Right,
تعبني
left,
أوي
and hip
طلعين.
circle. As you can see, it simply repeats. But this second time, you need to make sure that you have a little catch step. What is a catch step? It's a ball change. We said, hip, hip, and really make sure you're stepping and kind of leaning. Lean, lean, turn. Now, you turn either just straight back to front, or maybe even this foot is in front a little bit, your right one. But if it's not, either way, boom. So a ball change, it's like this. Back, front. Again, we have back, front. So catch step, ball change, back, front. Back, front. Okay, so that's to be sure you get yourself going in the right direction. And in the first one, there's almost a little bit of a catch step as well. It's not necessary. Boom. But I think I do it a little bit anyways. It kind of gives you that energy to get going. And if you have the space, really use it. Go nice and far back and forth for these, making them really beautiful, like a butterfly, farasha, traveling, and just enjoying moving in space. Okay? So the second time, we're going to go catch step to go front, side, back, side. Nice big camel roll up, reverse undulation, reverse up, shoulder shimmy, same thing, boom, okay? Boom, ban dun dun dun, banananam. And then you're just reversing that whole combo that we did. Now, starting your traveling camel, down and up and down and up, coming back to the center. Okay, this time you're going to be traveling over your left shoulder. Practice that turn, that pathway in space. Again with me. We're here. Stepping left, right, left, and now adding the camel with it. We have down and up and down and up. And second time goes right, left, side, side. Then we have a big hip circle. Initially, I had this choreographed as a head drop, but with the microphone, it just gets really complicated to keep dropping my head. So I'll show you once, okay? Boom, boom, boom. All right. But I'm not going to keep doing that because it's not comfortable with the microphone. But if you do want to do boom, boom, it's very cute. And then you can use this arm boom, to bring your hair out of your face. Okay, in another video we can talk about how to do that, or on my private platform that I'll be opening soon. So here we go.
يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه قولوا له ده انا برضه ساعات بحالات مرة زعل مرة ردله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الأوقات ده تعبني قوي طلع عيني قولوا له ده أنا برضه ساعات بحالات مرة زعل مرة ردله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الأوقات ده تعبني قوي طلع عيني
Circle. Drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick. Camel. So we literally just repeat, okay? After we go hip, 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 circle, then we're back to where we were. Drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, camel, circle, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, camel, and da-da-da-da-da. Okay? Let's try it all together.
يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه قولوا له ده انا برضه ساعات
Shoulders and side, side, back. Camel. And hip, hip, turn, and front, side, back, side, back. Camel. Okay, good job. Let's do it one more time together. Ready?
يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه يا طبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما هو كل همه ازاي يرضيه قولوا له ده انا برضه ساعات بحالات مرة زعل مرة ردله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الأوقات ده تعبني قوي طلع عيني قولوا له ده انا برضه ساعات بحالات مرة زعل مرة ردله عيني مين فينا على حاله كل الأوقات ده تعبني قوي طلع عيني أطبطب ودلع يا يقول انا اتغيرت عليه انا ازعل اولع ما كل همه ازاي يرضيه.
Okay, good job, everyone. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Mwah!